All right, so this is a Pioneer VSX 50 HDMI receiver. So it's got 7 channels. It's got 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI out. I was having an issue where these HDMI ports, they're over time they get stretched. I've already kind of tightened them up. Specifically, the one that was the worst was the out, which is this one. So the gap right there was really wide. The gap right here was really wide. So I just used some pliers on this side and that side to close it, very gently. You don't want to separate it from the board. I close this one up and that one up. I close that one up. I guess you could do it by not removing it, by trying to stick a screwdriver in there and pry them up, but you run the risk of damaging the port or even damaging those gold connectors in there. Once those are damaged, then the whole port's not good. So the best way to do it is just to take them out, take out the board, disassemble it, take the top off, and carefully squeeze these with pliers. Like that. Doesn't even take that much pressure to close them. Very little. You could try to carefully close them with them still in, but you run the risk of damaging the pins in there, or you run the risk of pushing it up or even breaking that HDMI connector. So the best thing to do is to take your HDMI board out and use pliers to carefully close it doesn't even take that much force to carefully close them up, to close that gap, so you have a better connection. So as you can see with the case back on, you can already see there's a major difference in them before and after, with them being closed up. As soon as those ports, they stretch, as I showed before, right here in the middle. Once they stretch, you're going to get loose connections. All you have to do is remove them and gently close them up. See right there? It's way better than what it was. Get ready to put it back together now.